if you're going to pick a board game for a date, I want you to get used to using BoardGameGeek.com. BoardGameGeek.com will tell you a lot about the inner workings of the game. It'll tell you a lot about the themes and things that you can look forward to. The most important part that you're going to want is the complexity. So one thing I see all the time is guys will go to the store and they'll pick out a board game, and it's the most complicated thing that they've ever seen in their entire lives. It has 4 rule manuals, it has multiple graphs and charts, it has 37 figures, all of which have to be custom hand painted, you see. And you're going to need a giant table, and it's going to take 12 to 13 hours to even complete, and that's just to really get a good grip on the rules for the first game. This is too complicated, guys and gals. You can't expect somebody to play that with you unless you've talked to them in the first place. And to talk to them in the first place, you really need to have some kind of common language to go off of. So BoardGameGeek.com will help you with that. Okay, this particular game, so this one comes in a 1.33, which is considered light. This one's right in there around Monopoly for difficulty and complexity. If you can learn Monopoly, you can learn this one, and you'll have a good time at it. You won't spend all night fumbling over rules. You won't have books and papers and graphs. You won't fall asleep having not actually played the game and hope to play it another time when you get some time away from the kids. This game you can pick up, and pretty good chance you can learn it and play it. I'd read the rules ahead of time. Either way, this is a 1.33, and the Monopoly comes in at a 1.66. So if you know that game, that'll tell you roughly where this one is. Settlers Catan is considered a medium, and one of my absolute favorites, Arkham Horror, the living card game, is considered right on the medium. So Codenames Duet is nice for an evening that you want to spend with somebody, where you actually get to spend some time together, where you could have a dinner, you could spend some time cuddling, you could spend some time holding each other before or after. This game won't eat the whole night. That's a good thing most of the time.